2017 Ford Mustang 5.0 GT. Stick shift, standard, whatever you want to call it. It's got the stock catalytic converters, factories. Then we left the resonator on it for now. And then it's trudled back into the back, and he ordered some pipes. Pipe bombs, they call them. Pipes bomb. Pipes bomb, you see it? If you guys want them, you will find the link in the description. A bolt-on kit, muffler delete, or muffler replacement. There's the two mufflers. They're resonated on the inside of the tip, as you guys can see in there. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute. Hope you guys like it. You always want to tack the clamps when you install these, because they do rattle off after time. So when you tack them, they stay in place. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. 2019 Ford Mustang 5.0 GT. Beautiful car. Got stock converters there and there. It's got like 5,000 miles on it. He brought it earlier in the year. We put a custom X pipe on it, true flow. Then it's 2.5 all the way back. And he just brought it back, and we put him 2 FLOWMASTer 40 series and some special tips. Look at them tips. Beautiful tips. Right there and right there. If you guys want the link to the mufflers, they'll be in the description. That's how you guys do them. That's how you put FLOWMASTer 40s on it. There it is. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. There's the 2 mufflers we cut off. That's the 2 mufflers right there. The old ones. You need more. Needs a resonator taken out. That one in the middle. You need to cut it and put pipes in their place. Then this will be nice. Still sounds good with these though. Looks really good too. Let you guys hear on the inside. Go ahead. Oh. That sounds good. Man, always Mustangs with the FLOWMASTer 40, they give such a distinctive sound. Yep. Go ahead. There's sound decibels on it again. 107. Perfect. Yeah, those tips look perfect on it.
It's deeper too.
Yeah, it's a lot deeper. Especially you took that resonator off and put an X pipe too. That's why it's so throaty.
Yeah.
It's, you know, it's not like raspy.
Yeah, that's perfect.
You guys gotta admit, that sounds sexy. I don't care who you are. GT, baby. Let you guys hear on the inside. GT 5.0. Flies like a bullet. Look at that. Oh, that's beautiful.